Hey everybody, this is Squid here. So we are going to be my next door neighbor's spark plugs and ignition coils. Yesterday I heard them start it up and it wasn't sounding good. And apparently the spark plug popped out, came loose. But as you can tell, that ignition coil is cracked and all that, everything. So yeah, we're going to get this knocked out for him real quick. And just got the 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. Something to do. Alright, have a good one all. And then I gotta go over to my other across the street, other to my other neighbor's house and diagnose their vehicle, find out what's going on with that. So we'll get back with you. So we just got the number 4 spark plug out. As you can tell, it is just was full of oil and all that. So we're gonna take our borescope down there and take a look, see what's going on. Hopefully it's nothing too bad. Nothing, well, hopefully it's not bad at all. Maybe it just spark was loose, or I don't know. We'll get down there and take a look. So here we are at this Mercedes minivan, and first thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and check the battery here. And they said it's doing the same thing it did last time. No electrical in the ignition. Last time it was this amp fuse was blown. Right now it doesn't look like it, but we're going to go through all our checks, and we did find also that a connector on the inside fuse box, it was pulled out. Right now I'm not getting anything coming up. So on this, we're going to grab the multimeter and see what the actual voltage is. This needs at least more than 3 volts to start up that. So let's grab the multimeter and let's see what we got here. So we're going to check the voltage now with the multimeter, see what we have here. It's only showing 1.6 volts. Now that's not enough to make my battery tester come on. That could be the reason why. So we are going to go see if we can jump start this and see what we get. So we're going to go and see if we can get this started up. It looks like we may have to do an override because the battery is so low. Yep. I'm going to press our override button. Alright, let's see if it'll start up. Alright, it did start up. Seems like for right now the battery was just really dead. But we're going to go through other things, our normal test. Maybe it could have been the alternator is not charging the battery. They only drive it once a month. But we're going to be going through our other tests here. Do our voltage drop test and everything. So we'll get back with you and see what we'll say on everything. So right now we're going to go check to see if the alternator is charging first. That's one of our first tests we'll do. And we got to increase the RPM up. Got to increase it up to 2500. For 10 seconds. 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, let's see what we're doing here. So loaded, we have 14.59. No load, 14.46. Ripple is 131. Now that's telling you because the battery was so low and all that. So when the battery gets charged up and all that, that ripple will come down. Next, we're going to do our voltage drop test. Remember, on your voltage drop test, you want less than 0.1 on the negative side and less than 0.3 on the positive side. So we're going to start with our negative side here. We're going to find a good ground. Let's see, that seems to be good. And it is going down. So we are good there. We'll find another spot here. That's here. And our alternator, go figure, is way down there. Hate it. Hate that. Why do I have to put the alternator down low? Just hard to see. And we're I want to check the voltage right now with it. So we got 14.72, not over. And that is good there. And I need to find another grounding spot. That's here. Oh, so hard to see down here. I want to check something here. Wonder what this was. Alright. We're going to check our voltage here. The voltage is good there. And we're good there. Now I just want to go underneath the go inside the vehicle, find out what's going on there. I think this was just a dead battery and all that. That the battery was dead because it was only at 1 point some odd volts, and that's not enough to turn on anything. So what we're doing here is we're going through all our fuses to make sure that we are getting power to them with we're using our VDiag V500 Pro Pro Tester, all that. It's a really good tool. I've really liked it, all that. And you can tell we are getting power that we're supposed to. We have not come across any blown fuses yet. Customer was worried about that, maybe another fuse blew or something. Like I said, they only drive about once every 30 days. But if you remember that one video, no matter what, your vehicle does draw power, and less than 0.5 amps, and that will drain down your battery no matter what. So, and if you don't drive your vehicle a lot, you're gonna. So I need to find out about that one, and that your battery will drain down. That's why you want to drive your vehicle often. Let's see which one we were at. We were at that one right there. So we'll give that one a look. Everything else, all the other ones were good. We're going to go to the outside ones and go ahead and check those ones. So after running the vehicle a little bit, we haven't found anything else wrong besides the battery was just really dead. I just turned it off for one check to see where the battery is at. So yeah, it's only a 15% charge. Cold crank amps 93, so it still doesn't have enough anything to start it. So I'll let them know everything about that. So I would just want to double check here. Yep. So I'm checking to see if there's a battery drain on the vehicle right now. It's supposed to have less than 0.5, and this is showing 1.6 1.67. So I need to go through and find out what might be causing that, even though I just turned the vehicle off. Gotta let the vehicle, this is an older vehicle, so it should go to sleep really quick and all that. I'm gonna go find out what's going on here. Have to go through the fuses. So we went through all the checks we always do, and what it is, because the vehicles only ran once a month and all that, they did not have a battery drain. All the voltage drop tests were good, and the battery was just so low. That's the reason why it wouldn't start up. Last time it was that main fuse was blown, and on the inside fuse panel there was a connector that had popped out. That was the reason why I wasn't getting anything. But this vehicle is all good now. It just needs to get charged up. Battery does. Don't need to take it for a drive and all that. Everything. Alright, I'll catch you later.